Yes, Johnny, I'm wondering why you didn't do question 2 anyway, so I'll just do this solution here for the crack. So we're multiplying the first bracket by the second bracket. And I'm going to switch to blue here, right? I just do a little dotted line down here. And then I take this 5x and I'm going to multiply it by the second bracket there, 2x plus 3. And then you see the other side of this blue line there's a minus 2, so I'll bang in the minus 2 there. And then I have 2x plus 3 over here. And now I've broken it down into two easier to do calculations. So now I'm going to multiply the 5x by the 2x. The 5 times the 2, that's the numbers, that gives me 10. And x times x gives me x squared. So 5x times 2x is 10x squared. Next I'm going to multiply 5x by 3. Well, if you had 5 cans of Coke and you suddenly had 3 times that, you'd have 15. So you're just talking about 15 times x there. And now with minus 2 times minus 2 or times 2x, multiply the numbers, we get minus 4. There is only the x there, there's no x by x, so we have minus 4x. And minus 2 times plus 3, we get minus 6. So now we just have to tidy up, and we get 10x squared plus 15x, right? 15 take away the 4 gives us 11x minus 6. And that should be it.